Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So siguro alam nyo kung nasaan to. This is actually Baclaran Church. And dito kami ngayon sa Baclaran Church. So I wanna tell you muna kung ano yung policy dito. Before you enter the gate, kailangan syempre may face mask at saka may face shield. Ang sinasabi kasi doon, no face mask, no face shield, no entry. Mali naman kasi hindi nilinaw na it should be no face mask worn, no face mask, face shield worn, no entry. Kasi po ang na-notice namin dito sa loob ng simbahan, this is just the compound eto, wala namang masyadong tao. Yung I think the authorities ng church, they are doing a really good job. Kaya lang pagdating na dun sa loob ng simbahan, you would notice na more than 50% ng mga nasa loob na ng church ay hindi na nakasuot ang face shield or nakataas na. So pagdating ko dun sa guard, ipapabago ko yung tag na it should be no face mask worn and no face shield worn, no entry. Kasi nakalagay lang doon, ulitin ko no face mask, no face shield, no entry. Okay, kung talagang bit-bit mo lang yung face shield at saka yung face mask, you have it, but you don't wear it, so it doesn't make sense there. Again, more than 50% talaga, or even siguro yung isang line, yung isang buong seat ng church, yung isang buong hilera ng line, siguro may mga 4 or 5 katao na naandun halimbawa. Lahat yun nakataas yung face shield. So that is the problem, and son. Okay, this is the park. Ito yung park. My point is, again, my point is whether yung face shield na yan would actually help reduce your risk of getting infected or not. My point is yung rule, yung policy na dapat sinusunod pa rin. Okay? So sana lagi tayong sumusunod sa mga policies, sa mga rules and regulations, because this is going to be for our good. Hindi talaga siya something na we just have to follow out of nothing. Okay, actually yung entrance is on the left or the right side, tapos yung exit will be here sa left side when you are facing the church. Okay, ito yung exit. Tapos we have to sign in, of course, na yung how do you call that? Yung paper para for the tracking record siguro. Okay, well, thank you. We just stayed in the church for siguro couple of minutes lang. Wala pa namang mass. Then this is actually like our first time here in the past 6 months. Ang tagal, no? Pero malapit lang kami actually dito. Alright, so come on, just make sure we follow the rules. Lalo na yung face shield, lahat talaga nakataas. I don't know the reason behind being na nakataas yung face shield nila. Siguro uncomfortable. Well, short time to be uncomfortable, but you're safe. I'd rather do that. I'd rather be uncomfortable every time, so long as I am safe. You all have a great day. Thank you for your time.